Bird gliding. Bird gliding. Oh. He is seriously having a good time. Oh God, I wish I was a bird. Look at that. That's gotta be so much fun. Look at him. He is having a ball. Just riding the wind. Look at, look at. He's just like, I love it. It's so cool. It's so fun. He's riding the wind. Oh, look, his buddy's come to ride with him. Aw, that's right. Catch that current. He's like, I want to hang too. This is so great. I'm telling you, they have the life. Can you imagine being able to just glide in the air, just ride the wind? That's all I ever want in life. Look at this. Talent. I wonder what kind of bird conversations they have. Hell, they're probably not having any. They're just like just enjoying. When you feel good like that, when you're doing something like that, spiritual, mental, stress relief, you don't want to talk. Just enjoy it. There he is. It's riding the wind. If you don't think this is the coolest thing a living creature can do, besides dive into the water and not need air, two cool things, then there's something clearly wrong with you. Nice. Come back. Oops. Hey, his buddy's back. I love it. Birds are social creatures too. I should stop recording, but I can't. I am just so enthralled. I'm entranced. Because this is exactly what I want to do in life. Hey, does anyone remember the end scene on The Rats of Nim, or The Secret of Nim? And at the end, I forgot the name of that one bird, the one crow, how he found his mate in a string and they started like that. Uh-oh, trouble to brewing in the dunes. Well, that whole scene right there, real life scene, just reminded me of the scene in The Secret of Nim. If you don't know that movie, there's something wrong with you. Oh, wow. Too cool. You get a bird. Oh, tricky. Don't touch, don't touch. Don't touch, don't touch. Oh, there he goes. He's riding the lower current now. Probably changed.